Take classic deviled eggs to the next level with crispy bacon, sharp cheddar, and a touch of heat from jalapeno. The addition of C60 Power avocado enhances this dish with health-boosting benefits, making it the ultimate protein-packed snack or appetizer. I've seen deviled eggs on almost every single menu when I go out to either a bar or a restaurant, so I decided to make some amped up C60 Power deviled eggs today. The secret ingredient is going to be twofold. We have some avocado oil, and then we also have this amazing, delicious C60 powered EVOO mayonnaise with dill. So, so good. We're also going to add in some crumbled bacon. Now this is nitrate-free organic bacon. We have a little bit of jalapeno for some heat, which you can omit if you don't like some heat. And then we have raw milk cheddar that we're going to put on top. So the combination of the dill, the bacon, and the cheddar with the egg is going to make for not only an amazing appetizer, but almost like a full meal. Let's get cooking. So first I'm going to cut the eggs. I have 6 hard-boiled eggs here. And we're just going to pop out the yolks very gently into a bowl. Now there is a trick to hard boiling eggs. I got this little egg timer from Germany that is so handy. You just pop it in with the boiling water with the eggs in it, and it starts to sing when it's time to take the eggs out. How cool is that? They were super easy to peel. When you overcook them, they definitely get harder to peel. And then you end up taking some of the delicious egg whites out. Now, eggs are a highly debated item. Some people say that they're high in TMAO, which is an inflammatory component of food, but they're also really high in omegas. They're high in protein. They're high in choline, which we all need. They are definitely higher in cholesterol, but we do need healthy cholesterol. So this is making a dozen. And so we now have our beautiful yolks. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of this amazing mayonnaise mixture. We're going to grate in some cheddar cheese. And then we're going to amp up the antioxidant power with some additional C60 Power avocado oil. There we go. And I'm just going to mash this up until it's into a delicious looking paste. Now you might say to me, Lindsay, this seems like a lot of flavors, and it is. And you know what? People are going to be amazed at how delicious these are. If you're going to a party or you are having people over, this is definitely going to be high on your list of items to make. I promise you, once you try it. Okay? That is our delicious egg mixture. So you can either use a piping bag or you can just use a spoon. I'm just going to use this spoon, stir it up a little bit more, and you can put it a dollop right in the center of each one of the eggs. There you go. Don't those look amazing? There we go. Should make about enough. If you have any left over, you can save it for some toast. And then we're just going to chop up this pepper. So you typically want to remove the seeds in the jalapeno because that's the spiciest part. And you really just want to get the flavor of the jalapeno. Get that nice and diced. All right, cool. Now, for the fun part, the decoration. There we go. And a little bit of bacon on top. Bacon. Oh yeah. This is how we roll in my kitchen. You don't need a party to make these. You can have a party anytime. And voila! C60 powered EVOO and avocado oil.